All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. Got up this morning, didn't feel like driving, so came back down the same stream I was fishing yesterday. Went ahead and hooked up my solar. Cool thing is it also, a little DIY jerry can mount also acts like a little platform for it. So I've got it locked up. Not really much of a, more of a deterrent, I guess you would say, but probably not going to run into me people out here. I saw one truck yesterday. Might camp here again tonight, but it just depends on if the cattle are back. Looks like they came and got them this morning. I ran into some people moving some cattle down the highway or down the Forest Service Road when I started. So, but that's plan. I'm gonna let that charge till about lunch. Come back and check on it. I'd like to camp out in this little spot here. It's kind of a cool campground. Wonderful view. Gorgeous out here. So if I can camp here tonight, it'd be kind of cool, but it depends on the cattle. Man, I can see all the mayflies right there. A lot of bugs. Pretty sure I walked in behind that guy yesterday. I started thinking about it, and just now, I think if he was here with like moving cattle, he would have parked up by the fence. So another reason I wanted to come back today was to not fish behind someone. Big old brown. How nice is that? Fish right there. Some good fish right there, but those lies are about freaking impossible. I'm gonna spoof this one if we get too much closer. Gosh, good fish up there. Maybe I can get him to go backwards. Came right to me. Oh, dang you. Another good fish right there. All right, 1 for 2 ain't bad. when I'm walking between holes and I'm moving fast, to secure my line to the rod or behind the reel, strap it over my hand, put it up around, I don't know, the third or fourth eye. And then when I get someplace, I need to be moving fast. You can get in there quickly because you just drop it, a couple pulls, and you can get your fly out. All right, made it to the end of the line. There's a fence came down. So the rest of that going forward was posted, no hunting, no fishing. So turn around, head back. Really surprised. This quality of fishing on here was fantastic. So I don't know what to do. Like, kind of want to fish this again. Guess I'll walk back, make some lunch, check on my battery, and then check that other spot maybe. I don't know. Such a beautiful area. All right, so it looks like the cattle are back. So, guess when we find this place, I'll stay tonight because I'm not gonna listen to that all night. But go down here and check on my battery. It's been a fantastic morning. Lots of surprise sized browns in that stream. I wasn't expecting that. I thought that was mainly a cutthroat stream. Looks like my thing is shaded now, so I need to move that. All right, get some lunch and a beer. I'm tired. All right, what's up, everyone? Super fun day in New Mexico. That was a pretty special stream. Can't wait to go back and do that. Gonna put that on my list. Make sure I return to that again. Definitely get to fish it as hard as I would have liked. Found some stuff at the end that I would have wanted to go back and do again tomorrow, but decided to go ahead and move. Drove into Colorado, found this cool dispersed camping area. So never camped here before. Just driving down the Forest Service Road and looking for a place to stay. And you can tell people have used it before because there's litter. But I'll pick all that before I leave. But yeah, all I need to do, gotta get my cooler out. Charged my battery today, so my battery's good and charged. It took about 6 hours to charge that up all the way. And you can see my build is holding up to Forest Service roads. I went ahead and reinforced the legs. Haven't any problems. This road was pretty bumpy coming in. And my slide is holding up. So everything, all this stuff was kind of came out of the front. So if I was going to improve that, I might make that enclose that or something. Maybe put a handle here to keep it all from going through. But yeah, keeping the dust out. I sealed all the sides. Sealed across the top here. You can kind of see where the line is. Keeping all the dust out, and do the same thing on this side here. Getting a little dust right there, but it's not bad, so I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, the Reflectix has definitely helped out. It's keeping the temperature cool. That's pretty much it. Gonna get that cooler out, do some dinner. Not gonna do anything fancy. Although I might go ahead and, I got some hamburger I probably need to cook up, so I might go ahead and do that. And get up early, go check out the stream and see about what I want to do. That's pretty much the plan for today, for tonight that is. Okay, so it looked like it was going to start raining, so I went ahead and grabbed my rain fly. This is the rain fly with I use my hammock. Grabbed a couple bungees, just bungee these down. And I have 3 extendable painter's poles. They're $7 from Walmart. Same ones I use when I kayak fish, and I put the camera behind me and get a good thing. Pool noodle here. I can move that up and down so you can see that this one's extended, I don't know, 6.5 feet. I'll let these down low. But I use the same lines from my hammock. And the cool thing was they fit right through the little groove here, so I didn't have to do any fancy maneuvering or anything to get that to stick. Staked them out pretty good. Same thing over here. So if I need to, I can add some more line to tighten them up, but I think that should, it's just a solid ring, it should be good. But yeah, the Seal-X stuff that goes in my truck, I'll put some of that on the corners. I just bring it with me. Keeps the corner of these from digging in. But yeah, this is gonna be my shade / rain protection option. So seems to be working out. Leftover potatoes and a little bit of chicken and some more bell pepper. Yeah, the winds are kicking up to like 20, 25, but it's holding off on the rain, but pretty happy. Well, it's sprinkling now, but setup's holding up to the wind, so that's pretty good. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat dinner. I'm hungry.